Oh, a boom. This is a good beginning. Hello, Hunnay. I know, right? I know it frustrates you too, right? Think about how much money she's wasted. Isn't Mama Mai the best at getting scammed? I know!
Can't believe it, my hair beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
We got you. Goodbye.
But I want the one with the sunglasses.
Oh,
my
hey!
Okay.
No, see? Mom! Dennis is so good. Look at, he actually spends time with her mom, not forces her to be a star and make her cry.
Where's the hello, honey, right?
She does not even care. She does not even care. When your child is upset or she's traumatized. Do I say hello, honey, now or later?
Mama, why don't you say it?
Yes.
Say
Sure.
it.
Hello, honey? Okay. Hello, honey!
Guys, she's been dressed like this since 9 this morning. It's about 7 p.m. When we shoot our show, we plan like 2 weeks ahead. She's planning a year ahead. What she's gonna wear, how she's gonna wing that liner, what she's gonna say. Like today was not a show about whatever we're gonna talk about. And it's not my show, it's her moment. This is an important episode that I wanted to share. And the victim that I am using to explain why I want to share this is Mama Mai. But the weird thing is, she also likes what happens to her when it happens to other people, because then it means she gets free, like Exhibit A. What we are talking about today is getting scammed from the internet. I've seen this happen to my mom now over 30 times. The most recent time it happened, it not only cost her money, it cost me money, no dress.
Oh, they have
Her
dress
money?
to come out. This look like in the picture.
Was my money. To the point that we shopped for a birthday dress on this show. Come on out! Come on out! Oh my God!
No, yes.
No!
Ever.
Why were we shopping for a birthday outfit for Mama Mai?
I'm looking for the
She got
online.
scammed.
A scam, yeah. Too sweet.
Everybody has been getting scammed lately. We shop so quickly on the internet. As soon as you see something, you're already invested in buying it, the size, the color you want, before you even checked what brand it is. Did you ever notice that? I'm here today because I have gone through it enough times with Mama Mai and myself. I, too, Jeannie Mai Jenkins, got scammed. That I want to tell you some of the telltale signs I can tell now that make that item bunk, so that you can avoid losing money, honey. Not only do sometimes they sell you bad stuff, but sometimes you haven't even gotten any items. Remember
Yeah,
that?
2 times. They took my money. They never sent it to me. 2 times.
And it doesn't matter that my mom only spent $7.99 for that dress. The point.
It's still no matter what.
The point is, no,
$7.99,
I'm not done.
it's still money.
No, the point is actually, you have to stop trying to shop for cheap, Mom. You shop too cheap.
You want me to spend $300?
If it's too good to be true, believe it. That's my first tip. If it is too good to be true, I want my brother to hear this. Is he there? Get in here. This has happened and you've seen it. If it's too cheap to be true, believe it. I love fast fashion. Trust me, I love getting a cute tank top or
Yeah, you wear one
body
time
dress.
dress. Yeah.
But when it's too inexpensive, some of these places are selling like complete outfits for under $20. And that's when it's really bad. You have to start believing now that if it's too cheap, you already know you might be getting
So
scammed.
don't buy online.
No, you can buy online.
Right.
But if it's too cheap, it's probably not gonna be good.
Yeah, I know. I learned a lot now. I learned a lot. You can tell. Look at this one. I can show you right here. This is my necklace, right? I bought it. Only $9.99. The pearl look very beautiful, okay? As soon they send it to me, I open it, I put it on. It's broke. You see that? It's broke, but I cannot return. But it look very beautiful, you know, like
No, but it doesn't, Mom. Like, this is plastic. She's calling it pearls. And
don't throw it.
this is something I bought. If you look at it here, it looks fine, right? It looks fine. Wait till I show you the picture. So here's this crappy cheap outfit I bought online. As you can see, it's cute. It's super cute. It's not see-through, it's opaque, and as you scroll through the pictures, you're like, oh, matching set, contrasting colors, not see-through. She's cute. I could be her, chilling by my pool, tying it up to show my little midriff. I receive it. You guys see it. It's crap. It's thin. It's cheap quality. It's wrinkled, and it's not even these colors that you see here. The real garment is not even on this girl. They're just digitally enhanced pieces. It was not see-through, guys. You can see my heartbeat in this top. I can't even just wear a bra. The bra looks so obvious. It doesn't even hold shape on me. It looks like wind.
No, this one look like you wear bikini and you put this over.
Yeah, but I bought it so that I can have a nice soft set. I have this and a pair of shorts. The shorts, by the way, one wash turned into underwear. I couldn't bring it because it's so
I know.
small.
Yeah.
It's all a band. And by the way, the actual band is so twisted, you can't untwist it. It's so cheap.
$2.99. Honestly, that's why.
$5.99.
Still, see?
What about these?
Yeah. That shoe look very beautiful. Okay, online. I love it. Okay, brand name. I bought it.
How much did you buy those for, Mom?
$70. 70. Guess what? Look at. Anytime I put it on, I have to hide my shoe. I don't want people to see my feet. Because if they see my feet, they can see Mama, I look so cheap. That's why I let them see the front. I never let them see the back.
You always have to be the last to leave the room.
I guess. I have to wear something long so nobody can see it. Especially when I then jump up and down. It's coming up a lot. They know anyway, but who cares?
I know.
That's
We
right.
should be saving money for you. Here's another example of a shoe my mom bought. She was really, really hyped to floss this new like perspex heel, see-through heel, stripper heels, whatever.
Before when I walk in the house, I look sexy, I stuck up, I look like I'm a diva. I later on, I feel something wrong with my heel, and then it's come up like this. I don't know what to do.
Like this.
So I walk crooked. Can you believe it?
Shoes you cannot buy cheap. You can buy them low priced, but they cannot be cheap. And
No,
here's how
this one is expensive, but on sale.
This is a cheap shoe. Do you see this? The leather is falling off. Look at this. Oh my God, it's literally shedding as we speak. Here, a parting gift.
You see that? You can see it.
It couldn't even deal with the drop of water.
I know, but look at
That is
nice
trash.
leather.
Do not buy anything online.
When you mean do not buy,
Wait,
you
wait,
buy
wait,
online all the
wait.
time.
Wait, I'm not done.
It's buy online all the time. You said me do not buy online.
Hold on, okay.
You can cut that.
Okay, here we go. Mom,
Go ahead.
here it is. If it doesn't have a return policy, do not buy it unless you know that you're not going to return it. If you are testing it, you're like, oh, I want to see if this shoe is good. Oh, I want to see if those extensions feel real. Oh, I want to see if this actually looks like the picture.
Yeah.
There better be a return policy. Even if it's 14 days.
Right.
That's enough time for you to feel something and then return it if it's not okay. Make sure. Ooh, this is a big one because I hate people who scam you. I hate people who lie. When they say you can return,
Right.
actually go see how can you return it. Is there an address? Is there a phone number? Call it to make sure it works. Some sites, actually many sites, ooh, I want to name them. Some sites that say easy return process, but when you check, there's no return process. There's nothing. Because you normally don't check for the
But it might give you the fake address. You see what I mean?
That's a good point, Mom. Google the address. Call the phone number and Google the address. People now can create websites in an hour. When you look at the pictures
Right.
of the item, make sure that the pictures are actually unique to the item. Not only the pictures of the item, but if they have pictures of other customers wearing it, that's a plus. Or if they have pictures of the item, look at other items that they carry and make sure it's not the same wearing the same item in all of the pictures, because now people can Photoshop. Mom, they'll use you
I know,
with this
yeah.
dress.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, you're wearing my sweater. And all of a sudden, you're wearing this shirt. Because
Yeah.
they're using the same model and they just Photoshop
Yeah.
the item on the model. Next thing, read the reviews and also make sure that the reviews are unique to that item. If I made a product, I can easily get 5 of my friends to say something generally good about the product. read the reviews and make sure it sounds like Kim, Sally, Jamie, whoever these people are actually real people. Make sure that what they're talking about isn't a generic compliment like, I love this, it looks so good on me. No, what did you love? Read the reviews so that it looks very specific to the item you're shopping. I have gone to different sites where the reviews are copy pasted over and it's the same reviews on multiple items. Wait, here's another one. This is for anybody in my fam who shop clothing online. Any brand should also have an Instagram impression, right? So let's pretend you're shopping from Exclusive clothing brand. Go to Exclusive's Instagram page. They better have an Instagram page. If you click on the tagged posts for this brand and there are no tagged pictures, that's a fake brand. You can see real women wearing the brand if it is a real brand. Here's another way you can check if it's a fraudulent brand. If they are asking for weird payment options, like direct electronic funds, Cash App or Venmo, or debit, that's direct cash. You can't trace that back. That's already gone. At least a credit card payment can be traced to see where the money went and where it was accepted, and you can file for fraud. Another thing I've heard of is people getting charged twice for things that they've purchased. Always check your credit card statements, always. You have to see if not only the correct amount of things has been charged, but make sure that you're rightfully getting charged, period. Because a lot of brands, even legitimate ones, are charging people multiple times and making it just an oversight, and you're accepting it if you don't say anything about it. After creating my clothing line with Macy's, this is what led me to being really keen to authenticity in the e-commerce space, in the clothing business. I found that it's really easy to scam people because there's so many shortcuts from fabric quality. When something says cotton, there are a million grades of cotton that you could really be saying is cotton. It's not the type of cotton you might be picturing. When you sign into a site, you're already giving permission when you sign up for the discount, or you accept the cookies, or you sign up and give them your information to become part of their customer profile. Like, those little things are you signing the contract to say, I agree to whatever it is you do to me.
Anything I don't like it, I go to Yale or Google, I complain. But I don't think about the clothing. You can go to Bureau, you know what I mean?
The Better Business Bureau.
Yeah.
If you go to the Better Business Bureau, you can
Let them
often
know.
file a complaint so that you can protect yourself, other people, and let this business know that you caught them.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna put you through a practice real customer service call to see if you know how to defend yourself if the problem ever comes up again and you need to know what to say.
Thank you for holding. Your time is important to us. Did you know that many of your questions can be answered on our website? Go to hotclothesformamas.com to find out the answer to many of your questions. What is your call regarding today?
I just want to call to complain about I don't receive the dress.
If you would like to inquire about our frequent buyer program, press or say 1. If you would like to find out more about our winter collection of head wraps, press or say 2.
Okay, 1, yes.
You don't want more deals. You want to speak to a representative.
I want to say 0, operator.
If you
Yes.
still need to speak to a representative, please stay on the line and someone will reach you as soon as possible.
Sure, we let me listen to boring music. We'll wait.
Our call center is experiencing higher than normal call volume at the moment. Please stay on the line and we'll be with you as soon as possible.
They're trying to
Make you lose patience.
exactly. So
That's
you just
right.
gotta hold on. Put it on speakerphone, put it on mute, don't touch any buttons, and go find something to do. Knit a sweater.
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you for calling hotclothesformama.com. May I ask who I have the pleasure of speaking with today?
Oh, hi, my name is Lisa.
Wait, I have a tip. Don't only offer your name, but also ask for that person's name and give them a nice compliment.
Thank you for letting me wait so long. I almost fall to sleep. What is your name, by the way?
My name is Paul. Paul Martin. My name is
Thank you. You have a nice voice. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, I ordered one dress. It never come to me, so I think I lose it. You know, I lost it. I order again second time. So I never receive anything.
Can I get the confirmation number that you used for this order?
Have all of your information readily there. Confirmation number, your email that you might need to forward in a pinch, any other details about your process in purchasing it, have everything, even the shipping
Yeah.
date, everything.
567890.
Great, let me look that up.
Thank you.
I do see your order number here, but it does appear that you placed this order more than 30 days ago, which unfortunately means that we cannot give you a refund.
What the hell are you talking about? I ordered 2-3 months ago.
Yes, that's what I'm telling you, ma'am, is that unfortunately you've gone past the return policy window, which for us is 30 days, so we cannot give you a refund.
We never receive it.
Thank
I'll
you so
take it
much
back.
for calling today.
Oh my goodness. Wasted my time for
No.
nothing. What I
Okay,
buy.
in this situation, what I would say is if you really did order a product and you kept it past the actual return date, you're at a loss. That's it. You can't do anything about it. However, if they didn't send you a dress, you
Right.
could say to them, I did not receive this. I'm sorry, Paul, but I need to speak to someone to look further into this situation because I don't feel this is fair. I am not paying for something I never received. Stay persistent and polite. Do not lose your cool. The second you lose your cool, you're going to be blamed for so many other things other than what you had the right to complain about. When it comes to negotiating, I'm going to give you the best tip that has to do with everything, not just dealing with the returns or customer service. It has to do with life. Always lead with the statement that's a win-win for both parties. It's not, I want my money back. I'm so angry at you guys. You guys are a ripoff. No, it's, I want to continue shopping with your brand. So how do we work this out? Because I don't feel that this is fair.
So you try to kiss them?
No, you're not kissing, but you want to make sure it's both of you win somehow.
All
So
right.
try that, Mom.
Lisa, I hope that I have satisfied all your needs today, and it's been a pleasure speaking with you. Are you satisfied?
I really like your company. I really want to go back and shop, but the way you talk to me like that, I don't know what to do. Maybe I have to go someplace else then.
Let me see what I can do. Hang on.
Okay. You know I buy a lot.
I can offer you store credit. How does that sound?
I will be happy. Thank you very much. That's very nice. Are you single?
Okay. Shop carefully online. We love you so very much. Goodbye.
And don't forget to subscribe.